National Electrical Code Section 230.70 requires service conductors to terminate at service equipment that includes a disconnecting means. Section 230.70b states this disconnecting means must be within sight of the point of entrance into the building. However, Section 230.70c allows for remote disconnecting means if the location is accessible to qualified persons and located either inside or outside the building or structure. Moving a service pedestal some feet would require the service conductors to enter the building without terminating at the disconnecting means. This is not permitted by National Electrical Code Section 230.70a. Therefore, you cannot use a disconnect in the crawl space and feed the panel some feet away. There are options available. Firstly, run the service conductors along the outside of the house to within 3 feet of the panel before entering. Secondly, install a meter main, that is, a meter with a built-in disconnecting means, at the new location of the service pedestal. This would allow the service conductors to enter the building at the meter main and terminate within 3 feet of the panel. Thirdly, consider relocating the panel main to within 3 feet of the new service pedestal location. The specific requirement may vary depending on the local building codes and the authority having jurisdiction. It is always recommended to consult with the authority having jurisdiction before making any changes to your electrical system.